Oh, my paper. Woo! There's something missing here, isn't there?
More RPM in second gear?
Okay. This engine has 12 injectors. This is my kind of Saturday night. What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max, and today we've got a very special review. It's a bit different than usual. What we've got here is a Nissan GTR by Total Car Concept. It's been tuned very heavily, and it is currently running 1637 horsepower. Let me check. I've got the dyno sheet right here. 1637 horsepower, 1514 newton meters of torque. I have to say that because there is a shortage worldwide, an ethanol shortage, they didn't have enough ethanol to run this amount of power. So we are currently running around 1400 horsepower, and we are going to do an autobahn run with it and see what it feels like, what it's like to drive a car with this amount of power. Now, I'm going to walk around it, show you the outside, show you the modifications they've done, and then show you what's under the hood, and then we'll take it for a drive to see what it's like. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to receive updates when we upload a new video, and check us out on Instagram if you like, at AutoTopNL. Also check out Total Car Concept. I'll put their social stuff in the description or the top comment. Go check them out because they built these crazy machines. So we've got a blue GTR 2012, and it's got a full carbon fiber Nismo kit, body kit. These awesome LEDs. Oh, my paper. These awesome LEDs that run in this S shape. It is a good looking car in blue. I have to say, I have never seen one in dark blue, and I really like it. We've got carbon fiber in the front bumper here. Nice towing. Nismo badge. We've got great wheels. OZ Racing Ultra Leggera HLTs. These are the same wheels we had on our M135i. He's running the stock brakes, just with different brake pads, but he's got a set of ceramics for this car, of course. Now we've got Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires. The best tire, especially with this weather. It's nice and dry. It was 26 degrees, so they are nice and sticky. Beautiful hood with those carbon fiber inlays, carbon fiber on the side as well with a GTR badge. Carbon fiber side skirt with the Total Car Concept logo right there. And well, there's something missing here, isn't there? Usually there's a nice spoiler here, but he's got a very cool APR spoiler coming for this car. This is a low drag setup, and well, we're going to try to do a nice run, 300, 320, something like that. But we have to see how it feels, because it doesn't have any downforce. Well, it doesn't have the downforce of the wing at the rear, so we'll have to see how it feels. They built a completely custom exhaust for this car. Total Car Concept exhaust. Beautiful. Carbon fiber diffuser as well, or lower part of the bumper. And well, let's just get to the important part. There we have. It is a 3.8 V6, and I have the modifications here. We're going to see. So, TCC 625 plus build. It's got a stock sleeve engine, 3.8 liters, high degree camshafts by TCC, Garrett G35900 turbo kit, a radium modified 3-pump setup plus line set, 2000 cc injectors 6 times, 1000 6 times. So this car, this engine has 12 injectors, an ETS race intercooler, custom piping, aluminium 4-inch intakes, flex fuel. So that means that if he runs more ethanol, the car will sense that and deliver more power. The Civex S Plus management, that's the ECU, custom manifold, and a fully built transmission, because the stock transmission can't handle this amount of power, of course. 1637 horsepower, 1514 newton meters, as I said, and custom firmware for the Civex by BR Calibration. So It is a freaking beast, this car, and today we are going to try to break our 100 to 200 record. We have, the current record holder is the Glazen Motors Audi R8 bi-turbo with 1000 horsepower, 3.98 seconds. So today we're going to see if we can beat that time at the Autobahn. So in here, no real changes, just some nice carbon fiber, a great steering wheel with the pedals attached to the steering column, so fixed pedals. I always really like that. You have to get used to it, but they are always in the same spot, and I really love that. Yeah, why don't we just go and drive it? Okay guys, so we are going to take it for a drive. Now, we are running currently 1400 horsepower, somewhere around that. So it is going to be exciting to see what this car feels like. Of course, it is a freaking extreme setup. This is Nick, by the way, from Total Car Concept. They built this car, so he's going to drive with me to see if everything is working well. Now, we have to heat it up a little bit. And of course we are trying to break our 100 to 200 record. Well, Nick has already broke it, so he did a 3.7 run, 100 to 200 kilometers an hour, which is absolutely mental, of course, but he said we can do it quicker, so that's something we're also going to try right now, to see whether we can go even faster than that. Just get your head around that number. 3.7 is already faster than most cars go from 0 to 100. And when I say most cars, I mean most cars, supercars included. Fast, and it runs really nicely. Okay, so let's do a 100 to 200. Third gear or second gear?
Third gear.
Third gear. Here we go. .78.
You can go to 8000 RPM.
Okay, we can go to 8000 RPM, Nick just said. So we're going to turn around here and see what we can get on the other side. But man, it feels really good. It runs through those gears very, very smoothly, and just, oh. It is completely different than the other 1200 horsepower GTR we drove recently, which felt super raw and it felt like a race car. This feels like, well, a big tuned GTR, but it feels really smooth. Okay. Ja. 2 bij 7,5 en dan daarna bij 8.
Ja.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to try it in second gear. We have to see how much wheel spin we will get. Yes, that's how powerful this car is. Okay. Second gear. Like a motherfucker. Oh man. Okay, should we try that again? Do you want that faster? 3.5 or is that okay?
I'll try it.
Okay, we'll try it. Man, this thing is fucking mental.
A little more RPM you can try.
More RPM in second gear?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, here we go. That was my bad. Shifted too early. Okay, so what we have here, ladies and gentlemen, is the most extreme car I've driven in my life, and the way it runs is, well, it's hard to explain, of course, but it's not intimidating. Of course, my hands are fucking sweating. It is ridiculously fast, but you're not scared because it feels like everything is put together in the right way and everything works together. And this car, I mean, the beating this car can take is so insane. The fact that this works blows my mind. This is my kind of Saturday night. Oh man, this thing is so much fun. This build, I mean, the guys at Total Car Concept, we know that we've been following them for a couple of years. We know that they can build these crazy things, and the fact that they brought this car, said we want to break your 100 to 200 record, they come, they break it, 3.5 seconds, 100 to 200. It works, it's f***ing fast as hell. Oh, what an impressive car. Thank you so much, Nick, for bringing it to us. Yeah, I think we're going to do some more stuff with you guys, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. You can hit this big button right here. You can also check out this video or go check out this playlist. See you at the next one. Bye.